are our elves this morning? Good morning, everybody. Oh, Papa J put out the goodies. I love you so much, my honey bear. Uh oh. I'll pick up my kids out. Make today count, my love. Make today count. Bye, babe. Good morning, everybody. Today is another day, and I have a whole bunch of errands to run. I've already dropped off Mason to school, so now I am off to water's too cold. I am off to go pick up our Christmas cards so that they can go out.
What's up, bro?
I just pulled up to Costco and I'm like bracing myself. I forgot that Mason has an appointment at 4 o'clock to get his haircut. I have to start my medication.
When?
So I'm trying to pull up the calendar to see when our why won't this download? Oh, here it is. I gotta go get some cash too. I could get cash back over here, huh?
Where?
Over here at Costco?
I think.
Okay.
I think if you need the ATM card, you can grab
Okay.
it. Don't. I'll grab it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Anyways, talking about IVF right now, I started my menstrual cycle today, so let me just keep you up to date. So for all you guys who don't know, we had to cancel my last transfer because my uterine lining was too thin, and I'll link that video down below where Joe and I kind of explain where we're at right now with IVF. We had to cancel that cycle because my uterine lining was too thin and we didn't want to take any type of chances. So what we're gonna do now that my menstrual cycle has started today, we have a whole new plan of medication, and I gotta get started on that. And then what I'm gonna do is, you know, for the rest of this month, we're just gonna be kind of, you know, on the go with all this IVF stuff. So we'll be traveling back and forth to San Ramon, ultrasounds and blood work, and that's what we're gonna be doing for the next few weeks until my transfer date. And I hope and pray that this time it's successful, and I have hope, and I know that everything is gonna be okay. And we're just staying positive through this all. I'm just so, if anything, I'm just so happy. I'm just so blessed that God has provided for us through this tough time. And if anything, I'm just so full of love, and I'm just so full of love and just so full of blessings that are around me. And it's just, there's just so many things to be thankful for, and I just feel happy to be able to financially get through this. It's not fun, and I know that sometimes I put on a brave face all the time, and you know, I just know that I have to stay positive when it comes to all of this. And our God is just so good. I just feel so thankful and just filled with lots of love and lots of, you know, all this support around us. And we couldn't have done it any other way without all these prayers around us. And I'm just staying so positive and just being thankful for everything that we have and everything that we've gone through. And this is our story, and I appreciate all the love and support that we are getting from all of our subscribers out there. And many of you won't understand why I'm sharing so much of my life, But it's just been an amazing experience for us to share our story here online. Like I said, not many of you may understand, but it absolutely makes sense to me and to my husband. And I just want to say thank you. I just want to say thank you. And until, you know, until we are successful with growing our family and multiplying our love, that's all that matters to us. But thank you guys for hearing me vent for a little bit. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Another day at Costco. I need some of this. These are bomb. I think we're done. Costco can always be a little overwhelming. But I'm here, y'all, and I got everything that I need. And then some. And things that I didn't need. Y'all, I'm back here again. I gotta return the pajamas. Surprised that I picked you up early today.
You were right. I said pick me up at 4:50 because you said...
Because guess what? I forgot.
What?
Your haircut.
Oh, what time is it?
4 o'clock. So we gotta go now. All moves? Okay. Let's go.
They haven't beaten a team that's above 500 all year long. So,
Turn the other way.
You know, I don't think this one against the Rams is going to really be in their favor.
Car. We're at the post office, y'all. Dropping off some goodies. Okay. And we're here at GameStop, y'all. What are you looking for?
Look, this is what I'm talking about.
Which one?
Like the,
What is that? Woohoo! Because you made honor roll, I think you deserve this. Let me see.
but it comes with a very...
Train is here. No problem. I'm gonna get some editing done, y'all.
With my...
I don't want to be.
Hello, everyone.
Yay! Look at her. You're so like on it, mommy on it.
Of course, it's for the kids, and I did want
Paint
you
for
something.
the kids.
We're gonna paint.
Yeah.
Let's see. So what you gonna paint? What are you planning to paint? The Warriors. I did brought you a gift.
What?
There's nothing special, and it's a little bit late.
Oh.
I went to Amsterdam and
Oh yeah.
Paris. So here it is. Something small.
Oh, thank you, thank
Nothing
you.
big. Christmas came early for me today.
And the other day.
I don't know if you want to show you know what. You can show the other one.
Yeah. The other one. You totally know me.
It was from Lisa and I,
And
but
it's a
cup.
glass.
Yes. And that keychain is from Disneyland Paris.
Oh my gosh! I'm
So I was like,
this
oh,
is like super special.
Everyone.
oh, look at your little boys. Are you ready to paint?
Paint.
Yeah.
And we got some paint here.
Oh my goodness.
There's my little cousin right here.
Oh! So Mesa is that little. Gosh, look at all this yummy food that she brought us. Oh my gosh, I am so lucky. Thank you so much.
And
I was gonna be so happy to come home, like you don't even understand. There you go. You are the best.
Who are you right
Benjamin
now?
style.
Okay, we'll put this. Oh, what if we start like, what if we
Mommy.
turn a bit for Mace?
Look at your little dinosaur. Does your dinosaur have a name?
Yeah, his name is Trino.
And this is barbecue beef. Oh my gosh. Don't do that face. What is this sandwich called?
Beef stick sandwich.
Beef stick sandwich.
Yeah, you wanna watch that?
Yeah, I wanna take a shot.
I gotta get you put in. How is it, babe?
Everything is.
I made. Bye, Felicia. So give me a beat your ass. Are you gonna sue me?
Yes.
Benny Bear, look. I put your name in a rainbow. Do you like it? There.
Ooh.
Did Mason say yes on this one? Okay.
Yeah. You Hey guys, so Sophie just ended up leaving. We had such a good time visiting with each other. Yeah, so Sophie, if you're watching this, I love you. You have such a good heart. You always bring my spirits up and you're always positive no matter what you're going through. But anyways, I am currently right now trying to get our Christmas cards out the way. I picked them up today. Honestly, I'm not too happy with them, but at least I'm getting them out, right? At least I'm getting them out, and it's okay because next year's it's gonna be a little different for us. So my return address is a stamp, so it's so helpful to have during this time. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you like to say hello. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next Vlogmas tomorrow, I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.